Hi, and welcome to the EcoBreeze 2 Smart Window Fan installation video, the convenient way to take advantage of fresh outside air for cooling when available. And with power consumption as low as an LED light bulb, you will save big time on utility bills. To install EcoBreeze 2, your window will need to open 10.5 inches high. EcoBreeze 2 has all of the necessary parts and insulation included. You will not need a screen with EcoBreeze 2. Don't worry, the filter and weather strip will keep the bugs outside where they belong. Install the double-sided tape to the window to hold the weather strip. Cut the weather strip to length and install it in the window. Place the bracket over the inside window or windowsill. Snug the bracket until it is about level. Now place the double-sided tape on the support bracket and install it in the window. Next, we're ready to install EcoBreeze 2. Remove the top window bracket and install the side extenders. Install the unit in the window and extend the side brackets. Measure the side panel insulation. Cut the foam 1/8 of an inch larger for a snug fit. Install the insulation in the slots. Next, we install the top weather strip and we are ready to close the window. One last step. Most windows have an air gap between the panes. Cut the weather strip and place the weather strip between the panes. If you have a small gap, you may need to cut this strip along its length to get a good fit. Plug in the unit and it's ready to go. When the power is turned on, the unit will run in auto mode. Press the buttons to adjust the temperature to your personal preference. One side note, not only does this fan deliver cool air, but it also delivers clean air. It has an easy-to-change filter that will eliminate pollen and dust. This unit can be customized to your preferences. Check out the EcoBreeze 2 setup and customization video. We hope you enjoy the quiet, convenient, and savings from your EcoBreeze 2, the smart window fan.